Welcome back from the snowpocalypse, back here to learn. Today we talked about relating mixed numbers and decimals. This is not a new concept. We've actually worked on this before. If we're just doing normal fractions that have a denominator of 10, 100, or 1,000, it's just like writing a normal decimal. So 6/10, tenths is our first place value, so we write decimal point 6. 3,900, okay, hundredths is our second place value, so we write decimal point 39. And then 49,000, that's going to be our third place value after decimal, so that's where we're going to write our 9, then our 4 would go in 100, and then 0, okay? Where it gets tricky is when our denominator is not a 10, a 100, or a 1,000. So here we have 5 wholes and 4/5. 5 wholes is not going to change. That's going to stay the same. So I can create my 5 wholes. What is going to change is my 4/5. So what I need to do is I need to find an equivalent fraction that has either a 10 or 100 or 1,000 as a denominator. So I ask myself, 5 times what equals 10? Well, I know that 5 times 2 equals 10. Now I'm creating an equivalent fraction. So I do the same to the top as the bottom. So 4 times 2 is 8. And now 8/10 I can turn into a decimal. 8/10 would just be written as decimal point 8. So 5 and 8/10 would equal 5 and 4/5. Another example, 14 and 10 25ths. I ask myself, 25 times what equals 10? Well, 10 is less than 25, so that's not possible. So I'm going to say 25 times what equals 100. That ends up being 4. Again, I'm creating an equivalent fraction. So 10 times 4 is 40. So 41 would be written decimal point 40, and 14 wholes would just be 14 before your decimal point. So 14 and 10 25ths equals 14 and 40 hundredths. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.